The shaker screen works by using mechanical vibration to separate solids from liquids. High frequency vibration lets fluid and fine particles pass through, while trapping larger solids. This precise process is key to efficient solids control. As a source manufacturer, Tianru Solids Control masters this science. We start with premium stainless steel wire, rigorously tested for strength and durability to withstand constant vibration. Our advanced automation ensures uniform weave and consistent mesh size. We reinforce screens with standardized weld-ed steel plates for superior stability. The wire mesh is tightly bonded to the frame, preventing delamination and ensuring long life. Every screen is precisely cut to fit your equipment perfectly. Whether you need coarse screening for shallow drilling or fine separation for deep wells, we offer customized solutions. As your direct source, we provide flexible customization for any specification. We can also provide a variety of product screens, including replacement screens, compatible with mainstream brands. Choose precision, choose durability, choose Tianru Solids Control.